Volcanoes, nature's fiery spectacle, are more than just eruptions and lava. Here are 3 quick facts. First, did you know there are around 1,500 active volcanoes worldwide? That's a lot of potential fireworks. Second, the tallest volcano isn't on Earth but on Mars. Olympus Mons stands a staggering 13 miles high, dwarfing our own Mount Everest. Lastly, volcano eruptions can influence global climate. The 1818 eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia led to the infamous year without a summer. So next time you see a volcano, remember there's more than meets the eye. Join us again in 60 for more fascinating facts. Until then, keep exploring.